Cooking verbs. Bake,
bake,
slice,
slice,
dice,
dice,
spread,
spread,
peel,
peel,
freeze,
freeze,
defrost,
defrost,
mash,
mash,
grate,
grate,
squeeze,
squeeze,
pour,
pour,
roast,
roast,
whisk,
whisk,
chop,
chop,
fry,
fry,
break,
break,
blend,
blend,
grill,
grill,
layer,
layer,
boil,
boil,
saute,
saute,
sprinkle,
sprinkle,
dip,
dip,
stir,
stir,
roll out,
roll out,
knead,
knead,
melt,
melt,
weigh,
weigh,
measure,
measure,
serve,
serve,
simmer,
simmer,
poach,
poach,
steam,
steam,
braise,
braise,
stew,
stew,
broil,
broil,
sear,
sear,
pan frit,
pan frit,
deep fry,
deep fry,
toast,
toast,
caramelize,
caramelize,
deglaze,
deglaze,
scorch,
scorch,
char,
char,
roll,
roll,
marinate,
marinate,
infuse,
infuse,
rub,
rub,
glaze,
glaze,
baste,
baste,
brine,
brine,
cure,
cure,
tenderize,
tenderize,
flavor,
flavor,
garnish,
garnish,
dust,
dust,
drizzle,
drizzle,
dredge,
dredge,
soak,
soak,
blanch,
blanch,
parboil,
parboil,
flavor vocabulary, sweet,
sweet,
sugary and pleasant, salty,
salty,
tasting of salt, umami,
umami,
meaty taste, tangy,
tangy,
sharp and fruity, sour,
sour,
sharp and acidic, bitter,
bitter,
harsh and sharp, bland,
bland,
has little or no taste, zesty,
zesty,
full of flavor, spicy,
spicy,
hot and burning, savory,
savory,
tasty but not sweet, pungent,
pungent,
very strong smell or taste, peppery,
peppery,
tastes like black pepper, buttery,
buttery,
tastes like butter, smooth and soft, smoky,
smoky,
tastes like smoke or grilled food, creamy,
creamy,
soft, smooth, and milky, crispy,
crispy,
crunchy and firm, fruity,
fruity,
tastes like fruit, sweet or fresh, nutty,
nutty,
tastes like nuts, mild and a little sweet, herbal,
herbal,
tastes like herbs, earthy,
earthy,
tastes like soil or plants,